Good morning, class 12. My dear student, topic function is continue, and the topic is examples of onto function. Of onto functions. Dear student, there is a function from R to R and it is defined as fx equal to x. Then it is an identity function, or we can say y equal to x. So this is the straight line passing through origin and it is defined from minus infinity to plus infinity. So its domain is R, range is also R because this function is defined for every value of x, and codomain is also R. Since range equal to codomain, function is onto. Since range equal to codomain, therefore function is onto or surjective. So this is one of the good example of onto function. Dear student, every linear function, if fx equal to ax plus b, we can write y equal to ax plus b. It is a straight line. Its slope is a and intercept is b. So it is the onto function because a straight line is defined for every value of x. So its ranges are, codomain is also R, the function is onto or surjective. We can say every linear function is onto function. There is another example. If fx equal to x cube and f is defined from real to real, then this function is also onto function. Since this function is also defined for every value of x. It is an increasing function from minus infinity to plus infinity. The range is R or minus infinity to plus infinity. Codomain is R. The function is onto. So there are some examples of onto function. Dear student, next is into function. Let there is a function from a to b and it is defined as fx, y equal to fx. So here fa is called set of images. Set of images means range. Dear student, if fa is a subset of B, set B is called codomain. So if fa is a subset of codomain or range is the subset of codomain, then function is said to be into function. Dear student, in into function, all the elements of the set B are not images. There are some extra elements. If there are some extra elements in the set B, means there are some elements which are not the images, they are not the part of images, then function is said to be into function. So in an into function, range is a subset of codomain. In onto function, range equal to codomain. Dear student, now examples of into function. Dear student, if there is a function from R to R and it is defined as fx equal to x square, then all the positive elements are the images. Let's see. Range. Here range equal to closed interval 0 to infinity and codomain equal to R. Since negative element, they are not to be the images. Therefore, here range is a subset of codomain and function is into. Function. So fx is an into function. Dear student, now another example. If fx equal to 1 upon x, then its Dear student, modulus function f is equal to mod x is also not to be onto function. It is an into function. Here range is closed interval 0 to infinity and codomain is R. It is like that. So this function is into function. Here range is a subset of codomain. So we can say modulus function is a into function.